Through the night, the tannery breathes in steam and shadow, metal ticking while hides turn in giant drums. And as the sky lifts, light pours through the doorway, catching...
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how exotic camel leather goods are made, step by step. Subscribe for more exclusive factory tours.
Interfering. Precise water and cleaning cycles ensure uniform quality.
Sits just above 60. A touch on the bleed valve keeps the pressure steady at 2.5 bar. Every batch reacts differently, so we check often, listening for the hiss, feeling the vibration through the line. It's small corrections like...
Every stage is monitored for maximum precision.
As the hide passes through the rollers, its pale surface drinks in the dye. Fiber by fiber, the color swells. Tan to caramel, caramel.
From supple camel hides to a finished piece of art, every step is done by hand. Cut, stitched, burnished, and wrapped with care. Then packed, palletized, and sent on its way.
Under the light, every pore and grain rises like a landscape. It's firm yet yielding, finished so that a single pass of the hand leaves a trail of soft glow. This is leather at its highest grade, supple, durable, and
Every edge tells the story of the maker. Careful passes from a sanding block bring the surface to life, releasing a haze of fine leather dust. Then, with patient strokes of
Productions. Every unit is inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how exotic camel leather goods are made, from raw skins to finished product.
Finished from full-grain camel leather, each piece carries the desert's hue and the maker's precision. The oils in the hide give a natural sheen that will deepen with time, while brass hardware is burnished to a soft.
As the sun rises over the tannery, raw camel hides are stacked and steamed, ready for transformation. They are trimmed, softened, and dyed.